in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off the mouse pointer spring loading feature on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon in the menu bar and select where it says System Settings. And then on the left side, select Accessibility, and then directing your attention to the right, scroll down underneath Motor and select Pointer Control. Should be something that says Spring Loading. If you want to disable that, just click inside the oval one time and toggle that off, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.